Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July IPSY Glam bag. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my IPSY July Glam bag just arrived, and I did tell you guys I canceled all my IPSYs and I had a few months remaining in my prepaid year annual subscription for the glam bags. I thought this month was going to be my last month getting 2, and then next month would be my last month altogether. But when I try to track my other one, it's just basically telling me to sign up. So I'm going to assume this is my very last IPSY Glam bag. If something else shows up, then I'll have to do another video for you guys. But as of right now, I'm going to say that maybe this is my last IPSY Glam bag. And I've been getting IPSY Glam bag for close to 3 years now, because I started getting this right before I started my channel. So I would say I have this close to 3 years now. So that was canceled. It may come back on my channel later at some point when I resubscribe, but for right now, no more IPSY for now. Let's go ahead and see what's in my last bag. There's that. Now, normally with my last boxes, either it's really, really bad and it's like, all right, I'm so glad, or it's the best one ever. And then I'm like, all right, why did I cancel? So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's kind of like a see-through material, like a plasticky material, because you can see right through it. You can see what's inside. And that is what it looks like. And it has like a green top zipper. There is a little plane for the little pull tab. Definitely summery. People do go on little vacations in the summer. Not right now though, not me. So let's go ahead and dump everything out. Let's see what we have for my, quite possibly, I think, my last bag. Here's all the products. Let's go with this one because you can definitely see what this is, and I'm super, super excited. This is the Hemp's Crystal and Quartz Body Moisturizer, and I love this lotion. This is my favorite lotion ever. So let's see. Oh, that smells so good. And I love this size because I can drop it in my purse or my golf bag. You can drop it in your gym bag. You leave it at your desk at work. This is a really good size, and Hemp's is really good lotion. So I love that. Next we have is the Tattoo Liner by, it says Kat Von D, but I guess now it's KVD is what I get corrected. But this is the Tattoo Liner Trooper Black. I'm not going to open this because I do not use liquid liner, so I will go ahead and set this aside for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But I hear this is amazing. I do have 1 or 2 that I've kept just so I can try it eventually if I feel like being bold and trying to play with it one day, then I have it. But it's not gonna be like I'm gonna use it all the time. So I would rather that go to somebody else. Then this item, I'm not sure if this is the one that I had chose, but this is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Oil Ciate London, and I think this is the one that I did choose actually. But here's this little guy right here, and it is a watermelon lip oil. You know, watermelon, it already pulled at my strings. So let's see. It smells like a little watermelon. Feels nice. So I'm super excited about that. It is by Space Case Cosmetics. This is in the color Space Food, and it looks like that. I have a few of these single shadows, and some of them are lighter, and I really, really like to use it on my lower lid when I'm using like an all matte palette. So I'm gonna look and see if I have this color. If I do, then I'll set this aside for one of you guys because then I won't need 2. If I don't, I will put this in with the others, but it looks like a really nice color. So there's Space Food right there. So if I do not have it, I will definitely keep that, but I don't want to swatch it just in case I do have it, because then it'll go to one of you guys. Okay, so then the last item is this brush right here. Is there a name on it? It looks like it says something Glam Pressed Eye. I can't see, but there's like 2 little jewels right there. And then there is the brush, and there's like sparkles in the handle. So there is a brush. So there's the 5th item. So going over a recap, this box, we have the Hemp's lotion, which I'm super excited about. We have a brush. We have the tattoo liner, which will go to one of you guys. The watermelon lip oil, which I'm super excited about. And this particular single shadow, which is really, really pretty. And then the bag. that is everything that I got in here. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, did you receive any of these items? Do you get IPSY? Do you want to get IPSY? Did you cancel IPSY? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you want to know about IPSY Glam Bag, it is $12 a month. You get 5 sample to deluxe size samples, sometimes full size if you get like a nail polish, a lipstick, an eyeliner, that kind of thing. But you get 5 different samples, at least to try out, with the nice little bags every month that change, and free shipping. They do have the plus, and that's full size, which is $25 a month with free shipping. And then they have the ultimate, which is a mixture of both. And that one is $50, I believe. So if you want to check them out, I will have the link below. You can definitely check them out. This is now my last one, unless I get another one that just miraculously comes this month. Then I'll have another video, and then next month will be my last. But as of right now, I'm gonna say I think this is it. I think this is it, and I'm okay with that. Maybe later I'll bring it back, but as of right now, I'm okay with my choice because I have enough boxes to show you guys in the meantime. So that is everything that I have. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.